how to use Hinge offline. If you want to use the Hinge application offline even when you're not connected to the internet, what are the things that you can do? Now, Hinge is actually primarily an online dating app that requires an active internet connection to function, right? Like maybe a Wi-Fi or maybe a cellular data, whatever is available at the moment. And there is no official offline mode that allows for browsing new profiles, because to browse new profiles, it needs to fetch data from the internet, which will require the internet connection. So it has to fetch the data from other sources and sending likes or receiving new matches. So if it was a content platform where you download like movies, then you'd be able to watch those offline. But it's an online dating app, that is why to receive new matches, you'll not be able to do so without an internet connection. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.